Trubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Korbari ke Jela ba lakmen Rymbui ulaong ba tang ka Asam ke Trei Borbah Henry ke Meghalaya ru ke Trei Borbah ha ke jingele ban rat Dyngkhong ya Drok. Ulaong ba kalong ke badon kam ban Trei lang la ka dei ya ka Asam ni Meghalaya bat baro ke Jela kumno ban penduk jat ya Drok ha ke ba laju kai be an bat penpoi sya ke ni ke Jela. Habakali balai ke Meghalaya company ya ke jinge kun Borbah kumba ke Asam persya ya Drok. Uni menteri ulaong baki Pulit ke Meghalaya ru ki jukem ya ki briu bat kurup ya Drok na kapor sya kapor bat amdai tang ke Asam baki Pulit ki Trei Borbah Henry ke Meghalaya ru kumju hakaba ulaya ro ya ki Pulit bat ki tenat bat Trei Borbah ban rat Dyngkhong ya uni ujing di Bosnia.
We from Meghalaya also, we are taking all the issue aggressively. Not only Assam, not only the state, in fact, the country as a whole. We know that the menace of Drok, if it is there, we have to eradicate it. So all the states in the country are joined hand together to see that this drug abuse could be curtailed or could be wiped out. They have arrested people from time to time. Also, they have seized the consignment of drug or tablet or whatever may be. So, in Assam also they are doing. Policing is a joint effort. So whatever they do, this is the best for to make our northeastern state safe from drug and safe from being used as the route to transport or smuggling drug. So I commended whatever the agencies are doing, and as I said before, from our Meghalaya also from time to time we have seen that we have the police have arrested or have detected many drug and case have been registered.